I'm Matt. I am a co-op student at St. Clair and a content specialist at Ettractive. Day to day, all I'm doing really is creating some presentations for Ettractive, promoting our values and kind of opportunities, as well as assisting schedule press release campaigns. Currently, as far as press release goes, we are working on one for a next-gen truck program. And for presentation I'm working on right now, a pitch deck for kind of the next step for Ettractive. The next-gen truck program is focusing on helping other companies kind of work on building their electric vehicles, I'd say. I would say it's a great opportunity. Being able to work with autonomous vehicles and electric vehicles is a great opportunity for anyone, I would say, and a great first step into the automotive industry. So 100% I would recommend it to anybody, truly.